If you don't want to wear a piece of clothing as it is, don't throw it away, just transform it. For instance, turning a regular neckline into a small V-neck can make it both more comfortable and stylish. Begin by marking a point 3.5 inches down from the center of the front neckline. From the sharp peaks on either side of the neckline, draw extension lines and connect them to your marked point, creating a straight cutting line. Cut along this line but only through the top layer of fabric. Then move to the back neckline. Mark a point 1.5 centimeters below the center, draw a curved line connecting from the 0 point on both sides, and cut out along the curve. Next, remove the existing collar and any attached zipper. Smooth out any twists and trim the excess fabric. Divide the piece in two and cut along the new lines. Place the fabric pieces face to face and trim half of the back collar. Sew the back neckline together, using a longer needle for added strength and keeping the stitching subtle to maintain a low profile. After sewing, tie a knot, trim the threads, fold the edge in half, and iron it flat for easier sewing. Turn the garment inside out, align the edges precisely, mark the center of the back neckline, and draw a triangle on the open neckline. Sew along this triangle from the reverse side, leaving a 1 centimeter seam, then trim off the excess. Make a small cut at the midpoint to allow the collar to sit as a neat V-neck. Use spare needles to fix the front shoulder straps for a polished look. Begin stitching at the shoulder seam using a backstitch technique. If the collar is too small and the lapel too large, adjust by pulling the fabric straight and sew a full circle around it with a small needle. The result is a collar that looks brand new. Remember, paying attention to the small details makes all the difference. Once finished, tie off the thread, cut the excess and examine your stitches. They should look just like those made by a machine. Use the double line lock stitch method by wrapping the thread around the needle and pulling it through. This technique is fast, secure, and reliable. If you're unsure, rematch the instructional video. After all, this method is handy for future alterations. Even after machine or hand washing, the stitching remains intact. You've now altered your clothes with steel needles, achieving a result that rivals machine-sewn garments. Turn the piece over, iron it flat, and admire the smooth, elastic finish, comfortable, durable, and stylish when worn.